Allergy Advantage is dedicated to bringing education and training to those environments affected by the growing complexity of food allergies. We strive to serve those in the food service industry, restaurants, schools, and private childcare facilities. In addition, we also work one-on-one with families of those newly diagnosed with food allergies, providing nutritional health coaching and solutions for living allergen-free. We offer consulting and training to reduce the liability food allergies play in a school environment. Statistically, 1 in every 13 children are diagnosed with food allergies. Statistics are frightening. Nearly 30% of children that have their first reaction at school were previously undiagnosed. Is your local school or child care facility prepared for how to handle food allergies and emergency allergic reactions when they occur? We also offer consulting and training solutions for restaurant owners. 15 million diners suffer from food allergies. AllerTrain is the leading training program for restaurants today. This training encompasses understanding food allergies, intolerances, and celiac disease. Support, education, training. That's the Allergy Advantage.